I made this dish for my husband last week and he says it was drop dead delicious. He's like, you have to share this recipe for your followers. They are going to love it. It's Jamaican style steamed fish and it's so simple, so easy to put together and nutritious at the same time. This is a win-win all around. Let's get started.
Will your mind follow your body? Oh, yeah. When you try to be someone else. Oh.
Along with our fish, we are going to add veggies to our poaching liquid. I have pumpkin, Christophine, or in Jamaica we like to say chocho. We have an eggplant here that I had in the fridge, so I'm just going to throw it in for extra nutrients and color. We have carrots, sweet pepper, scotch bonnet of course, garlic, onion, and thyme. I'm also going to add some pimento to kind of round out our quintessential Jamaican spices. And then we have chicken stock. You could use fish stock or water if you like. And then for the starch or carbs, I'm going to use bami, which is a cassava cake. Typically, we also use these hard crackers called water crackers here in Jamaica. So yeah, that rounds out everything. So let's get our mise en place done, which is chopping up our veggies in as uniform of a shape as you can. It doesn't have to be exactly the same shape, but yeah, we're gonna do that and then season our fish.
When you try to be someone else, oh, yeah. Will your soul.
So I forgot my okras. This is a must-have in your steamed fish. Cannot do without it. It adds texture and that nice slip that we all love with steamed fish. So I'm just gonna chop these up quickly and drop them in our dish. Alright guys, we've done mise en place and now it's time to cook. You could layer everything in the pot, all your veggies, the liquid and the fish, cover it and let it steam. But I prefer to sweat my veggies a little bit for about a minute just to infuse some of the oils from the scotch bonnet, etc. And then I'm going to add my liquid and the fish on top, cover and simmer. It's that simple. Let's go.
You don't want to miss your turn, so look around and feel it's a gift you've got to use.
Alright, so I'm just sweating the onions and the garlic a little bit so that the flavors can leach into the oil. And then I'm just going to go in and add the rest of the veggies now.
Every living soul has the right to feel free all around.
Alright guys, so you can add rice flour, just thicken our sauce a little bit. The okras are going to help with that as well, but I like the smooth texture that this gives me. Alternatively, you could use regular all-purpose flour. So just about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon will do for this. The flour is going to dissipate into the oil quite nicely, so you won't get any clumps or anything. Alright, our veggies are nicely sauteed and we're going to go ahead and add our stock now and our fish, cover and steam.
Never be ready.
Alright guys, so you've noticed that we put the fish and the bami on top of the veggies. This is because we don't want the fish to cook too quickly or break apart while it's cooking. It's on a medium to low heat and it's gently simmering to preserve the freshness and the nice moistness in the fish, and it's gonna be perfect and succulent and melt in your mouth when it's done. Alright, we're ready to serve. It's looking really good. As you can see, the flesh of the fish is opaque, so that's when you know it's ready, and it really takes about 5 minutes to completion. It's very delicate. Alright, so let's serve. We got a big plate here. I'm going to layer the veggies and then put the fish on top, also with this yummy sauce. Let's go. Yummy guys. Oh my god, everything coming together, the butteriness, the coconutiness, the yummy aroma of the fish. You can really like taste the freshness of the fish shining through.